And co-driver Duncan Hamilton keep their Jaguar hot on their heels.
And nowhere are they busier than in the Jaguar pits. The Jaguars have a proud record in this great endurance test.
If the C-Type had been built for competition, forward in car design. For a start, the D-Type was a monocoque car.
Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today we're honoured to share with you a significant piece of automotive history. We've got with us here one of the factory prototype Jaguar D-types that ran in the 1954 Le Mans. This car was noted by the registration plate OKV3 and it's had a significant racing career over the decades. We were tasked by DK Engineering to reproduce the interior, picking up on all of the original holes and fixing points and manufacture a new interior as close to the original as we could, following the original techniques and styles that were used in the original trim, which we were given with the car to use as reference material. The leather used was the Jaguar Racing Connolly Vomol leather, which was matched to the original, along with a colour matched vinyl piping and a green wall cloth which is on the backs of the seats. Working with the team at DK Engineering, we thoroughly researched this interior. There isn't a huge amount of photographs being a race car, and when there is a photograph there tends to be a driver in the way. So they're fantastic photographs from a history point of view, but not a huge amount of help for a team of trimmers trying to pick out all the details and get everything correct. But what we did establish was that there were these hip pads for comfort and this knee pad again for comfort on the tunnel to just protect your knee on those long endurance races. It's a remarkably comfortable cabin for such a small area. You'd be very comfortable in there for a 24-hour race or any other type of endurance racing, of which this car competed in many through its life. So that's kind of what we've got to show here. There isn't a huge amount of trim. You've got a small passenger seat, a driver's seat, a headrest and a gear stick gaiter. Other than that, it's just bare aluminium, so to keep the weight down as this is a race car. We really hope you've enjoyed seeing this piece of history come through our workshop, the team working on it to create what you see here, and we look forward to presenting you another video soon. If you've got any comments or questions, drop them below. Give the video a thumbs up and a share if you've enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon.
Next up, we have the 1955 Aston Martin.